Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix stuck on a verifying VirtualBox in MacBook. So as you can see right now I have this VirtualBox, so I'm going to double click on it and you will see verifying VirtualBox dot package. Okay, and it will get stuck here. The progress bar won't go ahead. So in this case what you are going to do is simply cancel these things. In fact, this method will work for any kind of application which are stuck on verifying. So first of all, close this one, then go to the Finder here. Okay, open the Finder, then from the menu bar that you see right here at the top, click on Go, then click on Go to Folder at the bottom, just like this. So it will open up a blank space just like this one. Okay, go to the folder, then you need to type in an address. Now simply remember that is system library core services. Simply remember this one, or simply type in this and click on go. Now it will open something like this, or a little bit of different, maybe in folder view, or the view may be different, but what you need to do is you need to find a file called installer, just like this one. The icon will be the same, so you need to find this file installer. Now you need to double click on it. So now it will open up a window which will ask you to select the drive, select the software from where you need to install it. Okay, so it is under the devices, because the VirtualBox will be installed uh, on your MacBook. It will show on your MacBook as a device, okay, as a hard disk. So you need to select it from the devices section here on the left hand side, then choose the virtualbox.pkg. Okay, now you need to click on open. Now this package will run a program to determine if software can be installed. Click on continue, then click on continue from here, then click on install. Now enter your password here, click on install software. Now as you can see, configuring writing files, it will just take a minute or so, and there will be no verifying. So you can install any app without actually verifying the package. Okay, and it will save you a ton of time here. It actually very late validated in between. Now, so the installation was successful. Simply close it. Now if I go to my launchpad and I scroll here, you can see VirtualBox is right there. So this is how you can fix stuck on verifying VirtualBox or any other application on your MacBook. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.